Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to use Canva to design beautiful and professional blog graphics in 2025. So guys, whether you run a personal blog or a business site, these designs will help you stand out, attract clicks, and boost your brand identity. So let's get started. Before we jump right into Canva or doing anything on Canva, you need to know why your graphics designs are actually important. A few of the reasons are they make your post actually visually appealing and shareable. So, think of some of the most visually appealing websites you can think of. The reason they are that way is because they took the time out to design their graphics. And also, it helps with brand recognition when shared on Pinterest or any social media platform. And also, there's this thing about improving user engagement and the search engine optimization, seeing as visuals actually keep people on your page. So you can see as clean as Canva looks. This is because of the work done in the graphics or in the graphic designing of how the website or how the web page looks. All right, so now let's get into it. How can you go about, simply using Canva to design a beautiful and professional blog graphic? Your first step would be to open up Canva. Head over to canva.com, make sure you have an account. And on the search bar, that's from home here, click on home, head over to templates, click on templates. And where we have search millions of templates, go ahead and simply type in something like blog banner or blog graphic. So we can go with the blog graphic so we get something using the size of a blog graphic. But before you hit enter, please remember that Canva already has pre-sized templates for WordPress, Medium, and other platforms. And then if you want custom templates, just go ahead and click on create. So if you want a custom size, click on create here. And then when you select the create, head over to custom size and then give it the parameters you wish to, apply to your search. So you can give it the parameters, the units as well, from inches to millimeters and centimeters as well. And then you can have things like that on there. All right, guys. So once you're done entering the templates you're looking for, just click on submit. So we're looking for a blog graphic, and you're going to find something as good as this. You may find some templates with the pro plan. You need the pro plan to make use of some, while some are just free to use. You can see some like this are actually free. So depending on the kind of blog post you're looking to make, you could select any of these ones. So we can go about something, we can go with something like this, 5 facts about sushi you do not know. Or you could go with something as easy and as good looking as this, or even this, or this as well. So this is a new blog post. So let's go with this. Once you've selected your blog post, go ahead and click on customize this template. So click on customize the template and simply pick one that fits your post theme. So try to find minimalist or lifestyle blogs, bolden each of them for tech or finance if it's tech or finance you're going into, and then soft tones for food or travel. So this is a really soft tone as we're going with travel, which is basically hiking. It's a soft tone and it complements the blog post well. All right, so make sure to change the headline to match your blog title. So this is the headline, so try to change it up to match your blog title. You can add different text elements here by clicking on text. You can add a heading, a subheading, and a little body of text where you can add your copyright or whatever you want to add to your blog post. And also try to replace any stock photos with your own, or you could choose from Canva's free photo library. Adjust the colors and fonts to match your website theme. So this is set to, let's see, what color is this? This is set to light orange. You could set it over to black, or you could go with something like this from your brand kit. As you can see, this is my brand kit. You could go with something as easy as this on the eyes, or a bright red. Or you could just go with white as well. This works too, but I'm just going to keep it on the blog post on my brand kit color, and then simply add icons and shapes to make your design actually pop. So you can do this by heading over to the element section and adding shapes, graphics, even using an AI image generator, or adding stickers to your picture, which will turn it into a GIF or a video. All right, now add your blog branding. So try to insert your website URL. It could be a simple link, or it could even be a logo. You can add a logo by heading over to uploads and uploading a file from your computer, Once you've uploaded it, you could just select your logo and place it on the canvas here. And for links, you could do that with text. So you could simply add your links using text as well. All right, guys. So for the downloading and uploading to your blog, just go over and click on share at the top right and click on download. So now you can either download this as a PNG or a JPEG for faster loading on websites, and then upload it to your blog editor. For example, if you're using WordPress, you can add it to your post title and it's going to feature this as the image on your website. And also, guys, try to resize it for Instagram. So sometimes you're going to be getting more traction using social media. So try to get your post the size of a social media post, as 1920 by 720 is a good size to go with if you're looking to be posting on social media platforms. All right, guys, and that's how you can create a professional blog graphic with Canva. Use these visuals to grow your audience, boost your search engine optimization, and give your post a clean and modern look. If you like this or found this helpful, please make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and comment below what type of blog you're running. Thank you.